Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, ever since Bitcoin has crossed the 100k milestone, there has been so many people or so many influential people on Twitter talking about this. It was able to consolidate close to 103,000 for a short period of time until profit taking sweep the market, and it did have a really strong pullback where it found a support close to 98. On the other end, Dogecoin did something similar, but this time actually found a support close to 43 cents, which is much higher than previously. Another thing that's important is Bitcoin finding a support so high up definitely suggests that the next leg is still in play. On the other end, Donald Trump just congratulated all the crypto holders. 100k, you're welcome. Together we will make America great again. Just in, 870 billion asset manager Standard Chartered Bank says Bitcoin will double to 200,000 by the end of 2025. Can Dogecoin reach an all-time high very soon? And Dogecoin needs to hold this level to confirm the recent breakout. There's a lot of things happening in the background, but before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with the crypto market, and especially Dogecoin, you want the latest and the greatest news first, I highly recommend you scroll down and tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, slap a like on the video, just up the YouTube algorithm, push the video out to more people. More people are paying attention to the crypto market. The user engagement goes up, more inflow of cash, the market keeps climbing, and a lot of us make a lot of profit. So make sure you go down and tap the like button. While you're there, I do want to mention something important. The way we have been smashing the like goals, it's been incredible. Thank you so much. Now, first of all, let's talk about the price action that Doge is doing. It's really interesting because I talked about how Bitcoin crossing 100k is going to be really key for Dogecoin in terms of how well it will do. But when we were climbing yesterday, I also mentioned that we do not want to get rejected at the price action that we are at. And pretty much previously what happened is exactly the same thing repeating. At close to 46 cents, we did actually get rejected as a lot of profit taking took place. But that profit taking was actually starting to recover until we noticed that Bitcoin fell under 100k again. What does this mean? Well, in simple terms, this is a little expected. If it did fall down to 90,000, then that would have been a little bit concerning, but actually finding a support close to 98, now you can see that I found a support and it's actually holding on. As long as it does not fall below the previous support, which is close to 98, we're still in a really strong bullish pattern. And if it all repeats properly, we will be 120k very soon. And keep in mind, December is always the best month for the whole of the crypto market, especially after November ending so well for us. Trust me, December is going to set some new standards. And on the other end, you can see the key support that we should be paying attention to is close to 98, because if we break below that, the next support will be close to 95, which I'm very certain we do not want to go back to. But right now it's really clear. You can see close to 103,000. We had a short period where we were consolidating and a lot of whales decided to take profit. Now keep in mind, what does this profit taking mean? Well, if Bitcoin is able to consolidate close to 98,000 for, let's say, couple of days, there's going to be a lot of push from major altcoins, because all of that profit in cycle is going to flow into the lower caps. Another thing is that's only going to happen properly if Bitcoin is able to hold its price and not become super volatile. If we talk about the open interest, it's still holding strong for Dogecoin. 3.2 billion is still a good number, and long to the short ratio, the long traders are still in favor and actually increasing. From yesterday, it was close to 73%, and now it's closing in just under 76%. Now, Donald Trump, this is good because you can see that he congratulates the Bitcoin holders and he's talking about you're welcome. So he definitely knows what he is doing in the background as he is appointing more crypto related people to the government. Pro-crypto people, or more pro-crypto people coming into the government, is definitely going to be having a very good impact on Bitcoin. Also, Trump, changing the SEC chairman is also going to have a really huge impact. I mean, it already has, because Paul is going to be, taking away a lot. When I mean a lot, he's going to be taking away a lot of problems which are being faced by XRP and a lot of cryptos which are under sanctions. On the other end, 870 billion asset manager bank just says Bitcoin is going to double. Does this mean that they are also going to be backing this analysis and putting their money into it? That will be something we will have to wait and see. Now, in the last 24 hours, 185,000 traders were liquidated with a total of 650 million. That's a lot of money. And coincidence, or is this how Bitcoin works? In the last 2 cycles from the market bottom to the top, it took 1,065 days. The market bottom, the next, it took 1,430 days. And if the pattern repeats, we will be at market top close to October 2025. Now, that does not seem very far. Let me tell you one thing. Next year, 2025, is going to be a very crucial year for the whole of the crypto market. And let me tell you, if more and more bigger things like what has happened in 2024 happens again, maybe Bitcoin can end at $250,000, and that would be insane. Elon and Vivek arrive at Capitol Hill to discuss government efficiency with lawmakers. This is the first time, and it's actually becoming a big thing. Now, Bitcoin. COINBASE 50 index expands with altcoins, Bitcoin and Ethereum still dominate. I mean, it's very clear to see that the way Bitcoin and Ethereum have grown in the past couple of days is much greater or quicker compared to all of the other altcoins, and how Putin helped boost Bitcoin to 100K along with 3 other factors. Now, as I mentioned yesterday, so the first one was Putin. He said, who can ban Bitcoin? Nobody. Then Pavel said, Bitcoin is pretty much gold, but only virtual. And then Donald Trump welcomed everyone. And finally, hedge fund founder re-announced crypto critic rounds off our list, as he pretty much said, you remember an asset like this valued intangible assets. It is standing opposed to the power of state, and people take joy in that. So he's pretty much, backing up crypto. So a lot of big factors affected the crypto market to help it push over 100K, as Bitcoin was struggling really hard to cross the 100K milestone, but now it definitely did. And on its way to become digital gold, it's becoming a big statement for everyone, because Powell holds so much power. And how high can Dogecoin price get by the 31st of December? I mean, honestly, the way we're consolidating, one little breakout, a lot of FOMO will kick in, and the rate at which you will see Dogecoin climb is insane, because that's exactly what it does every single time. You can see once the FOMO starts kicking in, we're going to be seeing some crazy numbers. I mean, it went all the way from 19 cents all the way up to 39 cents in just a couple of days. So that should give you perspective how quickly it's able to climb. And there is definitely so much room for Doge to still go up. I do think that it should be pretty much similar market cap to Solana and BNB. But other than that, hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you want more videos like this, subscribe, drop a like on it, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye bye.